Hello guys, today I've got Creative Outlier free headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Bluetooth pairing issues. How to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues. If you can't connect your headphones with your phone, the first thing that you need to do is restarting your phone. This should actually fix everything because you will reset the Bluetooth module in your phone. If it doesn't want to work still, try connecting your headphones with a different phone. If it works on a different phone or device, for example laptop or anything else, your phone is at fault. You need to fix your private phone. And you can actually type how to fix Bluetooth issues on your phone name on our channel, and you'll probably find this fix because we've got many videos about it. But let's focus on our headphones. If it works if it doesn't want to work anywhere, if Bluetooth doesn't want to work everywhere on every single device, the issue is located in your headphones. You need to try charging your headphones up to 100%, and you need to perform the factory reset. How to perform the factory reset? You need to at first enter the pairing mode like this, and once you do that, you need to hold the volume minus and plus buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. How to enter the pairing mode? You need to, when your headphones are turned off, hold this M button for, I would say, 7 or 8 seconds. So when you are in the pairing mode, hold these two buttons till you see that this light goes purple, and this should actually fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Goodbye and have a nice day.